Today we will show you how to take a picture on an iPhone. First, let's find the camera icon on our home screen. It's gray with a black camera, so mine's here on the left-hand side. Once you've found it, tap it to open up the app. Along the bottom are different modes. You may want to take a picture, a video, a panoramic shot, or any of the other options. You can swipe the screen to choose different options. So I can swipe left for video, slow-mo, etc. And swipe right to go back to photo. And today we'll stick with photo mode. There are a few other buttons on the screen that we can now explore. The lightning bolt in the top left-hand side of the screen is how you turn the flash on and off. You may be asked to select auto, on, or off. In this case, there is either a line slashed through indicating that the flash is off, or you can see the lightning bolt. The arrow in the center of my screen gives me more options, such as a timer or resizing options. So if I click that, there are the other options. Feel free to explore these after the video is done. For today, we will just ignore these settings. So I'll click the arrow to get rid of them again. Most iPhones have both a front camera and a back camera. To switch modes, we can tap this button here on the bottom right side. That looks like a circle with two curved arrows. This is how you can take a selfie. The front camera looks back at you. So right now, my camera is facing out towards that pen. Or if I flip this, it will go up towards the ceiling. To zoom in or out, we can just pinch the screen. So I'll use my thumb and first finger to zoom in. To zoom in. Start with your fingers together and then expand. Or to zoom out, start with your fingers expanded and then bring your fingers back together. Pinch, pinch, pinch. There we go. You can also slide this button along the bottom. The most important button is the one in the center at the bottom of your screen, this big white one here. This is the button that you use to actually take the photo. So let's decide what we want to take a photo of. Make sure everything fits in the screen. So I'm going to take a picture of this pen. Everything on my screen is what will be captured in the photo. The little square on the left shows that you've taken the picture once you've taken it. So we're happy with our pen right here. I'm going to click the white button and take the photo. I had a brief little flash there. And then on the bottom left side here, you can see that that's my most recent photo. That little square shows I've taken a picture of that pen. Stay tuned for next week's video where we'll show you where the pictures go on your phone once you've taken it.